uncle ever.
Just cut in there.
Oh man, look at him going. We got a serial killer in the making.
Cut him into there. Cut on in there.
Yeah, I know.
Cut her open some more, man.
Careful, don't cut yourself.
Yeah, don't gut yourself. Just slice on in. Slice that body open.
Do it right.
Oh man, get in there.
Gross, that hurt.
Put it in the lid. I
What
smell
is
it.
that?
Oh,
I smell it.
oh. Oh, dude, don't ruin the box. You gotta keep the box.
Is that edible?
For the most
Yeah,
part,
get him a paper plate. Yeah, there we go.
Yeah, because you got to eat that too.
Oh, God, yeah.
There might be a bead or two that actually go through your system, you know.
Oh, yeah.
You got to thumb through your poop and look
Oh, Mr. Spleen.
Come on. Ooh.
Ooh, oh, look at that.
What do you think she died from?
Yummy. Uh-oh. I thought I saw something.
Oh, there's a bead. Oh, it's a gold one.
It's a gold one.
Ooh.
All right. Wow.
Are the gold ones worth more?
They're all gold.
Ooh, that's 10 cents. Hey. Woo.
This is really, really cool.
She's so cool.
I'm thinking next year Draven wants one of these, huh?
Oh, check him out, man. He's found a plethora of beads. Mm-hmm. Taste that.
No, God, no, please don't.
I'm so sorry.
No, you're not. Pull it all, Rob.
I wonder if he's got to cut the legs.
Oh, don't say that.
You know,
Right.
Dig in there, man.
Suck out the bone marrow.
Let's go.
I think that's it. Isn't that it?
I don't know. That might be
That
it.
might be it.
It could be
How many
it.
were there?
Well, we had to set him out,
Enough.
but Kenny was out of control, and he's like, I think I forgot to put him in some. So.
Oh, yeah, just go to bed.
Right.
So,
So
sorry.
we came into a number. So
This is gonna.
he's done a valiant effort here. He's done quite a good job on her.
Keep
The
digging,
chest
man.
chest
And then we need
cavity
to
is
know how
quite
she died.
mutilated.
Do I get extra if I don't throw up while I dissect one?
Oh, what is that?
What the hell?
What is that?
Oh, you must have hit the intestinal tract.
Yeah.
Yeah.
That's Billy Bile. That might you hit the bile duct.
Oh.
Yeah, you're in there good now.
No, Chris has Billy
What's
Bile.
Raven? What's that? What'd you say?
Our games will be fun.
So I'm hearing you want to do this next year?
No.
All your gifts are going to be like this?
Yeah.
Every one of them.
Yeah.
Uh-oh.
She's creepy enough. Please don't.
Dang,
ask her.
Rob, you're not doing my
Man,
autopsy.
can you imagine what we could hide in that unicorn
Ain't
shit?
happening.